The school toilet. Full of sad-looking tiles, icky drains, leaky taps. Ugh, what is that? Yeah, it's not a place that screams happy vibes, and these kids agree.
I feel quite sad. They're like all dirty and not fun to be in.
Right now, they're not very nice. They're very plain.
I just feel like this whole bathroom needs to be cleaned up really, really well.
Lucky their school is listening. The teachers, parents and students are beautifying the bathrooms to make them a more positive space.
The best part for me is just sitting quietly listening to the children going, "Oh my gosh, have you seen the toilets? Oh, there's a pretty plant in the toilet." That just makes my heart sing.
It's something schools around Australia are doing as part of the School Toilet Project. It started from the idea that when kids are sad, they often go to the toilets for some alone time.
It's usually often that we do come in because we always have a lot of weight on our shoulders and there's actually not much things for us to do in here other than mope more.
But I do know through my work.
Dannielle Miller used to be a teacher, so she saw that happening all the time. And she thinks that gross toilets don't do much to improve your mood.
Look, the research shows us that school toilets are really pretty gross. In fact, 80% of students say that their toilets are so unpleasant they avoid going to them.
Inside the room.
Now she's helping schools make their toilets a pleasant place to be.
I didn't want to be the toilet queen and go and visit schools all around the country, but I did want schools to be inspired to pick this up and do this themselves.
It started with Cheltenham Girls High School in Sydney, and now hundreds of schools across Australia and even overseas are involved. Organisers think schools should put just as much effort into their toilets as they do other buildings.
We think it's all the front of the school and things like that, and I think, no, just show me a toilet. I want to know how much you really respect our kids.
Are you going to put it on the floor?
These students haven't seen their new toilets yet, but they say nice loos will make a big difference.
If kids are sad and they walk into a dark toilet, they're not going to feel happier, but if it's bright and have quotes, then they'll feel happy about themselves.